now offered at $425,000, 20811 Encino Pebble delivers something increasingly hard to find in North San Antonio. More than 3,100 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a home office, multiple living areas, and a spacious backyard in a gated community. Inside, the flexible floor plan gives you room to spread out. The main level offers generous living and entertaining space along with a dedicated office and separate dining room, while the upstairs includes all 4 bedrooms, plus a versatile loft that can easily become a game room, media room, second living area, or whatever fits your lifestyle. Outside, mature oak trees add shade and character to the oversized backyard, with plenty of room for entertaining, relaxing, pets, play, or creating the outdoor space you've always wanted. Located in the village at Encino Park, you'll enjoy the added privacy of a gated community, along with a convenient North San Antonio location. Highway 281, shopping, dining, schools, medical facilities, and everyday conveniences are all just minutes away. If you've been looking for more space without giving up location, take another look at 20811 Encino Pebble.